In this video, we show how to replace the solid-state drive, or SSD, in a Vostro 165640. Before you begin, create a recovery drive and back up all data. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the computer. Disconnect all the attached peripherals. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key and then press the power button. The computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down. To begin, loosen the 2 captive screws on the base cover. Then remove the remaining 6 screws. Using a plastic scribe, pry open the base cover, starting from the recesses near the hinges. Continue prying along the other sides to release the cover and remove it. To remove the SSD, remove the 2 screws that secure the SSD bracket to the system board. Slide and remove the bracket along with the SSD from its slot. Turn the SSD bracket over and remove the screw that secures the SSD to the bracket. Then lift the SSD off the bracket. To install the SSD, first align the round notch on the SSD with the screw hole on the bracket. Secure the SSD by replacing the screw and then flip the SSD bracket over. Align the notch on the SSD with the tab on the M.2 card slot on the system board and slide it in at an angle. Then replace the 2 screws to secure the SSD bracket in place. Align the base cover with the palm rest and keyboard assembly and snap it into place. Replace the 6 screws and then tighten the 2 captive screws to secure the base cover. Finally, once the computer is fully assembled, connect the power adapter and press the power button to turn on the computer and exit service mode. Please note, the computer will only power on if the power adapter is connected. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.